Top 10 fighter planes in the world. The fighter planes in modern era are highly advanced, with greater speed, stealth, armament and technology, which plays major role in warfare. 10. Dassault Mirage 2000 France. The Dassault Mirage 2000 is a fourth-generation single-engine jet fighter produced by French aircraft manufacturer Dassault Aviation. Features: max speed 2,530 km/h at high altitude / 1,110 km/h at low altitude. Range 1,550 km with drop tank and 3,335 km with auxiliary fuelCombat. Radius 800 nm 1,475 km W/4,250 kg bombs, 1,000 nm 1,850 km W/21,700 liter drop tank. Service ceiling 17,060 meters 59,000 feet. Thrust 0.7 at loaded weight. Rate of climb 285 meters/s. 9. F-16 Fighting Falcon US. The F-16 Fighting Falcon is a multirole aircraft with single engine manufactured by General Dynamics. United States Air Force is its primary users. It is designed for all weather condition. Features: max speed 2,120 km/h at high altitude / 1,470 km/h at low altitude. Range 2,120 km with drop tank. Combat radius 550 km on a high-low-high mission with 450 kg bombs. Service ceiling 15,240 meters 50,000 feet. Thrust 1.095 at loaded weight. Rate of climb 254 meters/s. 8. Boeing Super Hornet US. The Boeing Super Hornet is double-seated twin-engine American multirole fighter jet manufactured by McDonnell Douglas. The Super Hornet carries both air-to-surface and air-to-air weapons. Features: max speed 1,915 km/h at high altitude / 1,190 km/h at low altitude. Range 2,346 km with aim 9 seconds. Combat radius 722 km for interdiction mission. Service ceiling 15,000 meters 50,000 feet. Thrust 0.93 at loaded weight. Rate of climb 228 meters/s. 7. F-15 Eagle US. The F-15 Eagle is a twin-engine American all-weather aircraft manufactured by McDonnell Douglas. Features: max speed 2,665 km/h at high altitude / 1,450 km/h at low altitude. Range 5,550 km with conformal and external fuel tank. Combat radius 1,967 km for interdiction mission. Service ceiling 20,000 meters 65,000 feet. Thrust 1.07 at loaded weight. Rate of climb 254 meters/s. 6. Dassault Rafale France. The Dassault Rafale is a twin-engine, Canard Delta wing produced by French aircraft Dassault Aviation. Rafale is intended to perform nuclear strike, interdiction and air supremacy. Features: max speed 1,912 km/h at high altitude / 1,390 km/h at low altitude. Range 3,700 km with 3 drop tank. Combat radius 1,852 km for penetration mission. Service ceiling 15,235 meters 50,000 feet. Thrust 0.988 at loaded weight. Rate of climb 304.8 meters/s. 5. Sukhoi Su-30 Russia. The Sukhoi Su-30 is a twin-engine double-seated Russian supermaneuverable fighter jet manufactured by Sukhoi Aviation Corporation. Su-30 is featured with air-to-air and air-to-surface deep interdiction missions. Features: max speed 2,120 km per hour at high altitude / 1,320 km per hour at low altitude. Range 3,000 km at altitude. Combat radius 1,242 km for interdiction mission. Service ceiling 17,300 meters, 56,800 feet. Thrust 1.00 at loaded weight. Rate of climb 230 meters/s. 4. Sukhoi Su-35 Russia. The Sukhoi Su-35 is yet another lethal Russian aircraft with single-seat double-engine manufactured by Komsomolsk-on-Amur Aircraft Production Association. Features: max speed 2,390 km per hour at high altitude / 1,490 km per hour at low altitude. Range 3,600 km at altitude and 1,580 km at sea level, and ferry rank of 4,500 km with 2 external tanks. Combat radius 1,600 km for interdiction mission. Service ceiling 20,000 meters, 65,000 feet. Thrust 1.41 at loaded weight. Rate of climb 310 meters/s. 3. Eurofighter Typhoon UK, Germany, Italy, Spain. The Eurofighter Typhoon is a multirole twin-engine manufactured by a consortium of 3 companies: BAE Systems, Airbus Group and Alenia Aermacchi. Features: max speed 2,495 km per hour at high altitude / 1,550 km per hour at low altitude. Range 2,900 km and ferry range of 3,790 km. Combat radius 1,389 km for interdiction mission. Service ceiling 16,000 meters, 70,000 feet. Thrust 1.15 at loaded weight. Rate of climb 315 meters/s. 2. Sukhoi T-50 Russia. The Sukhoi T-50 is a single-seated, twin-engine stealthy fighter jet manufactured by NAPO for Russian Air Force. Features: max speed 2,440 km per hour at high altitude / 1,520 km per hour at low altitude. Range 3,500 km and ferry range of 5,500 km. Combat radius 1,690 km. Service ceiling 20,000 meters, 65,000 feet. Thrust 1.41 at loaded weight. Rate of climb 315 meters/s. 1. F-22 Raptor US. The F-22 Raptor is an advanced tactical stealth all-weather fighter jet manufactured for United States Air Force by Lockheed Martin Aeronautics, Boeing Defense, Space and Security. Features: max speed 2,410 km per hour at high altitude / 1,963 km per hour at low altitude. Range 2,960 km and ferry range of 3,320 km. Combat radius 760 km. Service ceiling 20,000 meters, 65,000 feet. Thrust 1.08 at loaded weight. Rate of climb 300 meters/s.